project here on site is the relining of a sewer trunk using a cured-in-place pipe. Our responsibility on site is to manage the bypassing of flows from upstream of the construction site, around the project, and downstream, using a temporary above-ground sewer line. By installing a bypass through the community like this, it prevents anyone from having to shut off their flow, limiting the disruption to anybody in the neighborhood. We design every setup uniquely for any challenges or circumstances that present themselves, as well as build in 100% redundancy into the system for any of the challenges that don't present themselves. Every aspect of our systems are fully designed and executed by StormTech staff. We're currently on the final of 6 phases on this project and have successfully bypassed 3.5 kilometers of pipe. We've done this over the course of 10 weeks. Our current setup includes 4 dry prime 8-inch diesel pumps. With this setup, we're able to move between 350 and 400 liters per second, as well as still have full redundancy. We have had to take advantage of this redundancy and move upwards of 500 liters per second. The reason behind this is rain infiltration into the sewer system. We've managed all this while also handling over 20 feet of suction lift. This system runs through dual 12-inch lines and goes through multiple road crossings. These road crossings allow flow to go through them, meanwhile allowing traffic to pass over them, minimizing the disruption in the community. Projects of this size can be very challenging, and the successful completion of them can be very rewarding. We are leaders in the bypass and fluid management industry, and it is our continued success over a varying complexity of projects that sets us apart from the competition. We are StormTech.